I have a box with nothing in it except air. It exists in the physical universe because you can see it, smell it, taste it, touch it, feel it, and hear it. And I can see it, smell it, taste it, touch it, feel it, and hear it. You and I both agree that this box exists in the physical universe. Now, remember, I said this box is empty. There is nothing in this box, as you can see. Enter a claimant. The claimant claims that there is something in the box. A clown, perhaps. I, being the skeptic, do not believe the claimant because I cannot see this clown, I cannot hear this clown, I cannot smell this clown, I cannot feel this clown, I cannot taste this clown, and I cannot touch this clown. Why does the claimant make this claim? More importantly, where does the burden of proof for this claim lie? Am I, the skeptic, obligated to disprove that there isn't something in this box? No, because I'm not making any claims. Is the claimant obligated to prove that there is something in this box? Well, yes, because the claimant is making the claim. That is why they're called the claimant. We'll touch on this example later. Now, let's use another example. Let's use a TV. Each channel is a Theists show with a message of some sorts. Atheism is the exact opposite of theism, correct? We can agree on this. Which channel will give no message? Off, right? The atheist message would be off. Now unplug the TV. What messages are going to get through now? How about we take the TV away? What's the message now? If someone wants to get a message out, whose job is it to send out the message? Is it the atheist's job to anti-send a message? Of course not. That's stupid. That's silly. So the burden of sending out the message lies on the theists. So how do these examples relate to proof of God in the real world? So let's start by asking a question. What is atheism? Merriam-Webster defines it as a disbelief in the existence of deity or the doctrine that there is no deity. So this would suggest that in order for atheism to even be possible, there has to be a doctrine that a deity exists. This would be the definition of theism. It appears to be that if we did not have theism, atheism would not be possible. This would imply that atheism and theism work in a dichotomy, two different opposing views. But I'm going to suggest something drastic. I say that this is a misleading dichotomy. Atheism can work independent of theism. This can be proven by asking the question, what if neither atheism or theism existed? Well, what we would be left with is no belief. No belief is disbelief, but disbelief is what defines atheism. This means that the definition of atheism encompasses more than just disbelief. Just like the TV example, atheism isn't the opposite of theism. It's a default position. It is a default setting for our understanding of the physical universe. Why? Because in the absence of atheism and theism, we still have atheism. Let's use the box as a microcosm of the physical universe. That box example that I was talking about. Theists, or the claimant, say there is God in the physical universe. Atheists, or skeptics, say there is none. Where does the burden of proof lie? Who is obligated to prove God's existence? The theist. It is not the atheist's obligation to disprove the existence of God.